Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today me and Cleo will be going to the beach in Florida. So I'm just gonna get our stuff to go to the beach. Let me see. Let me pack that. And this, let me try and find Cleo's swimming costume. Gonna pack my phone too. Okay, let's go, Cleo. Let me just put the stuff here, and I'm going to put the bag there, and there's some other stuff just in case. Not sure if I should carry my Stanley though. Just gonna leave it behind. Okay, we're here, so Cleo. Yeah, good job, you're taking a shower, so cute. And I'm gonna take a shower too. Okay, Cleo, we're done. Let's go. Oh, so this is the beach. Cleo, come send to me. Cleo. Yeah, good job, Cleo. Now swim here. Good job, Cleo. Oh my gosh, you're such a good swimmer. Come here again. I am natural. I know how to swim, Mommy. You know, I like swimming a lot. Anyways, So Cleo, there's a place over here for sitting down. A hammock. Do you know what a hammock is? Yeah. What is it? It's a place for sitting down. So, Mommy, I like the beach. Yeah, me too. But Mommy, I'm super hot. I'm so hot, Mommy. Oh, I know. In Florida right now. I'm gonna play and I'm gonna make the sandcastle in the sand. Look, Mommy. Oh, this is so much fun. Yay, this is so much fun, Mommy. You're so cute, Cleo. I love you. Mommy, this is fun. Okay, Cleo, let's go. Come, Cleo. Look, Cleo, there's a floaty over here. Here you go, Mom. You can have the floaty. Thank you. Sit there, Cleo. You like it? It's floating. I like vacation. Nice. I love vacation too. An ice cream for sale is $1. Okay, thank you. Mommy, yummy, I love ice cream. It tastes so good. Yeah, ice cream does taste good. It's so yummy. It's cold, Mommy. Yeah, ice cream is perfect on a hot day. Now let's see what's over here on this beach. Just the lifeguard. Oh, coconut. So yeah, guys, coconut. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.